How to start working with SQL and database. Any collection of any kind of data can be stored on computer program called database. So database, it is a software or program which store data. Let's say it's stored on your PC. How can you start to work? First of all, you should have one of those icons you can see on my screen right now. Any one of them or any other. It depends of what kind of database you have, Oracle or SQL Server or Netezza or any other. After you click on icon and entered your credential, username and password, you have open editor, as you can see on my screen right now. Editor has two main parts. It is the field where you can type code, and second button, execute. Now let's see if we can connect and start working. We need to type this select now in Netezza or select sysday from dial in Oracle in editor window. And after we type the command, we should click execute button. And when it executed, you will see in result set screen, you will see the today's date, the result. If you can see today's date, it means that we can work. Let's work with database. For example, factory database. Factory database has a few set of data. First, data about product we made. Second, data about sales, how much product sold, what was the price. Third, let's say data about employees, how many employee works on factory, what is the salary, what is the name of each employee. So we created specific containers for each kind of data, and it's called table. On my screen you can see the code to create MP table. This is for Netezza. Create table in P, open parenthesis, empno, worker 10, a name worker 10, job worker 9, salary worker 9. For Oracle it would looks like this. Instead of worker, use worker 2. So put this code into our editor and then click execute. In result set you will see that script executed successfully. We created first table called EMP, and it has 4 columns. Employee number, empno, where we will store number for each employee. In name, we will store name of employer, job, what kind of job they doing, and salary, how much money they make. Now let's write this code. Select asterisk from EMP and execute it by clicking execute. In result set we will see the column, but no data under the column because it empty right now. We don't have any data. So let's try to put some data using this code. Insert into EMP values, employee number, employee name, job, and salary, and execute it. So again, put it into editor, click execute, and we will see the message one row affected. So as it looks like we inserted one row into our table. Let's insert more data into the table. Data for Clark, Scott, Smith, and Martin. Use the code as you can see on my screen, similar as we use for King. Put it into window and execute it. At the end we see the another 4 rows affected. So we assume that we entered 5 employees into the table. Now let's execute this code again. Select asterisk from EMP. And in result set, we will see all the data in the table. You will see in EMP-NO numbers of each employee, in name of each employee, job, and salaries. What if we want to see only the names and salary of employees? We can write this kind of code. Select a name, comma, salary from EMP. And what if you would like to see only salary, let's say employee name Martin? Use this code. Select salary from EMP where in name equal Martin. Execute it and you can see it showed the salary. So what does it mean select salary from EMP where in name Martin? This is SQL code. Structure query language, and we use it. Select the name from EMP, select asterisk from EMP, insert into EMP values. It's all SQL command, structure query language.